Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Trello board. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Trello.com and make sure you're logged in into an account. If you don't, go and create an account. So let's say, as an example, as you can see, I have here multiple boards, as you can see on your board. Now, let's say I want to delete one of those boards. I'll just go to a random board that has like small stuff. Okay, maybe like, yeah, this board, as an example, it has nothing. And as we said, we want to delete this board. So how can we do that? Of course, to do so, you'll need to go to the top right corner. As you can see, you'll find three dots, click on it. And as you can see here, you will not find delete, but you'll find the close board button. If you go and click on that, and then of course confirm, as you can see, you find any reopen and close boards at the bottom of your board page. I'm just going to click on close. And now I will be able to delete it once I close it. Of course, if you want to reopen that board somehow, if you go here, as you can see in the Trello homepage, you'll find the view closed boards, and here you'll be able to view your closed board and you'll be able to reopen them if you closed one by mistake. And you can even delete them right from here or basically from here, permanently delete your board. As you can see, all lists, cards, and actions will be deleted, and you won't be able to reopen the board, and there is no endo. For me, I'm just going to click here on delete, and the board is deleted. If I go and refresh this page, as you can see, I'll not even find it, so the board is deleted forever. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.